Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on. Now for this week, I'm going to be showing you a little DIY on my healthy hair growth oil. Now this is partly because I put out to you a hair growth boost challenge for the fall months going right into December and January. I needed to do it because usually around fall I get a lot of breakage, and I just thought, no, I'm not going to have it happen this year. So I'm very conscious. I've done 30 days, or we have done 30 days of the rice water challenge. If you haven't done it, I'll put a card up there at the top. My hair cannot take a consistent amount of rice water. Way too much protein for my hair. It would defeat the object and break off anyway. So I decided for this challenge that I'm going to alternate the rice water with a hair growth oil. Genius, I know. So we've done a whole month of rice water rinses, which, hey, my hair is so, can you see how strong it looks? It looks so big and puffy, and it's so much stronger. I'm not going to do a length check, so don't say it in the comments. Because if you want to see how much my hair can grow in 1 month, I'll put this video up there and you can have a look yourself. So all I'm going to be showing you is how I put together this great fenugreek and all the other lovely concoctions, hair growth oils. I mean, we've seen this on YouTube many times. I think Curly Proverbs was the most successful on YouTube as far as I'm concerned. However, I've modified this. It's got fenugreek down here, but it's got heatheir powders in it, and lots of other great hair boosting oils, which I want to share with you guys. So for the next 30 days, we are going to continue. I personally am not going to continue with the rice water rinses, but I will be doing this, massaging it into my roots 2 to 3 times a week. And on the odd weeks when I feel like I need a moisture boost, I'll have to give a hot oil treatment using this. And also, just to add to that, when I want to be doing a pre-poo, I'll be using this hair growth oil. So I won't be doing a length check on this video, but I will do it on the next one I have with the hair growth oil. I'm thinking that I'll blow dry my hair straight this time, because so many of you have said in the comments, she's not doing it right, and it's stretched on this side and it's curly on the other. Listen, anyway, hey, listen, my hair grows, okay? If you don't believe me, try it yourself. You get it? Anyway, if you want to see how I make this growth oil, please stick around. So for this DIY, all I'm going to need is a applicator bottle. It's got the measurements on the side, and I just find it a lot easier to pour everything straight into here. Fenugreek seeds is what you're going to need, obviously. You'll need MSM powder. We're going to be using the Jamaican black castor oil. I'm going to be putting in vitamin E oil, a bit of sea buckthorn oil. Definitely got to put in some neem oil. And all of the Ayurvedic powders, I'm putting in amla, henna, the mother of all, and shikakai. And then I'm going to be using some other herbs, nettle powder and horsetail. So first of all, what I'm going to be doing is putting in the fenugreek seeds. I'm not putting in any specific measurement for it. I'm just going to eyeball what I need. So I've got 60 milliliters here for the fenugreek seeds. Now MSM powder is really potent, and you're only going to need a little bit of it. This is a teaspoon, but I'm only using about, say, half a teaspoon. If you are pregnant, I would suggest that you consult your doctor, because it's quite a potent powder. All of the Ayurveda powders I'm going to be putting in 1 teaspoon. So now onto the oils I'm going to be putting in. Let me see, I'm just going to eyeball it. It's very rich. And this is one other oil that I didn't fail to mention earlier on. This is grapeseed oil. I'm going to put a lot of this one in, so I'm not using coconut oil. So I'm going to leave this to marinate for 24 hours in a dark and cool place, and then this mixture should be ready for me to use, and I'll be able to use this mixture for about 4 weeks. Now, because I don't want no fungus growing on my hair, I will be discarding this after 4 weeks of using. Okay, so I've got to smell this. Oh my word, the neem oil is disgusting. I forgot about that. So we're gonna put some peppermint on. All right, so In with the peppermint, because we've got to kill that smell. That was quite a lot. And then I think I might put a few drops of lavender in. I'm going to estimate that. Let me tell you, if you are using neem oil, it is a powerhouse, yes, but it really, really stinks. Neem oil is not for the faint-hearted. So, just so you know, you're going to need some essential oils. Let me see what that smells like now. Alright, that's better. Okay, I can handle that. So there we go, my healthy hair growth oil ready for the challenge. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your attention. Leave me some comments down below on whether you're going to start using this growth oil or any other growth oil for the next 30 days. We are on a challenge together. Let's get this healthy hair going right through the fall months, because I don't want one hair strand come February. I want this hair to be fuller and thicker. I'm saying no. I'm saying no to the breakage in the fall months. Honestly, seriously, it's a thing for me. So I'm stopping that now. That stopped. Thank you to those of you who've been subscribing. You guys are building my channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I love the comments that are coming through. And I want to say a big thank you to my online friends. You guys are incredible. Thank you so much for your interaction and your friendship. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you. Guys, I'm going now, and I will see you in my next video. You take care now. God bless. Bye. Gonna sneeze.